Things on the basketball court. Birmingham. And Paula, we did just mention, though, people need to be careful doing anything around the roof.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Don't get on the roof. That's number one. Number two words for you, ice dams. They're bad words for your house.
See, you can see the icicles up there. That's not the problem. It's that bar of ice that runs along the gutter or the edge of the roof. That's an ice dam. Let me show you how that gets there. You have your house here with the roof pitch. You're down in here in a little warm house, and the heat is rising up into the attic and heating the roof, melting the snow. It's coming down to the edge of the roof, refreezing because of any overhang, because the wind is hitting it, causes the ice to build up and build up till it becomes a dam. And now the water that's from the melted snow is coming down, and it's making a flat spot, and it's going up underneath the shingles and coming down into the dwelling. And that's an ice dam.
But Dale Cranston, our handyman, what do you do about it?
There's nothing that you can do right now, but in the spring or at some time when these things thaw out, you can use a heat tape. It's something that you plug in, and it's not going to rid yourself of the ice dam, but it's going to cut holes like a ribbon through the ice dam so the water can flow through. The ice is dammed up and is keeping water up there that's getting in under the shingles and coming down and getting inside the house.
Okay, good advice. Thank you very much. Also, I understand we're getting lots of calls on the roof rake. People want to know where to get that. That's to get the snow off your roof. Try Home Depot, Builder Square, any of your hardware stores. It's called a roof rake, and that's how you can get the snow off your roof without getting on top. We have more of our Wicked Winter Survival Guide coming up. Stay with us. Back to you.
All right, Paula. Be prepared for a major portion of Ice